Welcome 1990 Plymouth Acclaim overview. Intro music, narrator, voiceover. Welcome to another classic car spotlight. Today, we're turning back the clock to 1990 to talk about an underrated piece of American automotive history, the 1990 Plymouth Acclaim. Visual, slow pan of the 1990 Plymouth Acclaim. Narrator. The Plymouth Acclaim was introduced as a mid-size sedan, part of Chrysler's A body platform. Alongside its siblings the Dodge Spirit and Chrysler LeBaron, it was designed to offer practicality, comfort, and value to the average American family. Visual, engine shot, interior dashboard close-up. Narrator. Under the hood, the 1990 Acclaim came standard with a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine, producing around 100 horsepower. It wasn't going to win any races, but it got the job done. A 3.0-liter Mitsubishi V6 was also available for those looking for a bit more power. Visual, driving footage, exterior shots from different angles. Narrator. In terms of design, the Acclaim sported a classic late 80s look, boxy lines, a squared-off grille, and simple headlights. While it wasn't flashy, it was clean, solid, and very much a product of its time. Inside, the cabin featured plush bench seating, straightforward controls, and optional power accessories, depending on the trim. Visual, close-up of door panels, steering wheel, seats. Narrator. Safety and reliability were major selling points. The 1990 model came with features like a driver's side airbag and optional anti-lock brake, a big deal at the time. It was built to be a dependable daily driver, not a performance car. Visual, family loading into the car, driving through a suburban neighborhood. Narrator. The Acclaim may not be a collector's item today, but for those who owned one, it was a trusted companion used for work commutes, family road trips, and everything in between. Visual, fade into vintage photo montage of the car. Narrator. The 1990 Plymouth Acclaim reminds us that not every car has to be flashy to be remembered. Sometimes, practicality, comfort, and reliability are what truly stand the test of time. Outro music, narrator. Thanks for watching. For more vintage car spotlights, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.